Upside down chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. During setup, place white's pieces on their opponent's side of the board. On the 8th row, from left to right, place rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, rook. On the 7th row, place all the pawns. Mirror this setup for black. Players' pawns are still traveling in their traditional directions, so all pawns will start one space away from promotion. Your pawns may only capture and move towards your opponent's side of the board. Therefore, en passant is not allowed. Since at the start of the game, all of your pawns are blocked by your own pieces, the game always starts with a knight move. You can castle like normal, and the first player to checkmate their opponent wins.